Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to download Vive Football and bypass login. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is you will have to open your web browser and then type out vlf.163.com, then you'll be able to see this. Now click this green one in order to download the APK, okay, and then click on download anyway. Then you will then just have to wait for that, and then you will be able to install the application. So while waiting, make sure that you have the version of your iOS or your Android device with 11 plus, 7.0 plus, and of course the RAM of your device in order to install the application. Now, after downloading the APK, you will now going to install the Vive Football application. Okay, so you'll just have to click on the install button and here install and connect to China mainland VPN. So the name of the application, you will just have to search for that in your app store or Play Store. So it looks like that. Now you'll have to open the game. Once the game is installed and your VPN is connected, you may open the game out of your device app menu. Okay, and then you will then just have to click on this one here and then the blue one, and then the other side click on the red one. Okay, now the next thing that you can do is to register in Vive Football. To start playing the game, you need to create an account from the Chinese documents or information. So just follow you just have to go to this website, okay? Okay, just type out this link, and then you will then just have to copy the your user ID and then paste it here and then click on the red one. Now open and enjoy the Vive Football game because I am sure that you can now access the game since you have followed all of the steps. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.